Guys, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful flyer. This is a perfume flyer that is being created by me. Now I'm going to show you how to create this flyer using just your smartphone. So let's dive into it. So first of all, we're looking at the shape we are going to use. Sorry, the size we are going to be using for this design. Alright, so let's go. This video is for beginners who don't know any step in order to achieve a design or still coming up to create some amazing design. So just follow me as I recreate this design. So this fourth place here, if you look at this downside of your PixelLab, you're going to see this circle A. In the middle here, I can see another shape and a smaller square with the ending of a stripe. So we click this part. When you click this part, you see image site. Click on the image site. In this image site, we are going to be using our width going to be 1023 by 1280. 1023 by 1280. Let's go. So this is the design we're recreating. This design. Okay, so I will be deleting it. So this middle side is your image. Any image you click, this middle side represents your image. So I'll be deleting it now. I'm going to be bringing it again so that it will maintain the same quality. So here it is. So this is the design we're creating. So let's begin. So I'm going to lock it here. Locking means we will lock it so that it will not move. If I want to click anything, if I do like this, it will move. So I'm going to lock it in order for it not to move. So this is where it goes. And let's begin. So first of all, what are we going to do here? Let's type the text. Just follow me as I do it. You can see there's first thing is sent. Okay. Okay, here is it. So the next thing is by Ella. This is why we are tapping the text first so that we can get it. If it's for some people will go for the background first. Some people will go for the color first. Some people will go for the shape first. But we are starting from the text in order to know how to do it step by step. So here we go by text. So what can we see here now? Then we'll copy this. Okay, let's not do like that. If you want to create text, look at this place here. Text. This is what comes up. Then you click edit. Then what are we typing now? Okay. Leaving. Okay, what is there? Leaving a lasting impression. A lasting impression. Okay, this is where it is. Then what next? We are coming for the shape. This place here, talks about shape. Anything about shape. If you want to amend the shape, if you want to do anything on the shape, this is where you're going to come to this middle side. Then what you can see here is a square shape or rectangle shape. So we are going to click this shape, and this is where we'll edit everything on the shape. Let's begin. As you are watching this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Alright, so here we go. Now we have achieved this white one that is here. We have achieved it. So let's keep this one side so we can type out this our service and the text that is under. So let's create another text. We want to create another text so that we can type out this body mist, air freshener and all that. Okay. The reason why I'm doing it slow so that you can understand it. Whether you're a beginner or you're a professional, it's better to take it slow so that no matter how fast you are, make sure that the people watching it or your audience or the people you are teaching know what you are doing. Design is just like a way of life. It's a way people see you. It's a way people take you and take your business. It's just like design is also just like a business. You treat it well so that when your client comes to know that yes, this is what I paid for. Not all graphic designers are designers. Not all graphic designers are designers. Some some still designs, yeah, some still designs to impress their clients. A designer is meant to think outside the box, sketch what he or she wants to use for his or her design, then bring it to reality. But some people, they just go to Pinterest, pick some designs, use one or two AI to replicate it. But that is not how it meant to be. So we are putting the bullets here to the text and we'll be spacing it. Make sure it aligns together. Okay, so this is it. Now we go for the color. So this A here means anything you can do to edit text. Is this place you will choose color. In this place you will choose anything you want to do to the text. So we want to choose color now. This is where we are going to go to color. Yeah. Then let's click it. If you don't know the color, this is an easiest way to pick color. If you don't know the color, come to this plus sign. This plus sign you are seeing here. Click on it. Then this pencil up, you see something up that be like a airdrop. Click on it. Click on it. Then you will see the design you are replicating. Click on the design you are replicating. Then select the color. This thing, you are going to use this to select the color. This is the color for the text. So we are going to click on it and click OK. You see, this is the color for the text. Then we click this good mark here. Alright, then let's look for the font. I think this I use this crypto display medium. Yeah, that is it. Crypto display medium. Then what next? You can see these two, this one I did now and this, they are not in the same line. This one that we're replicating, the text goes down a little bit. So how can we do it? We'll come to this place. You know, this A side means anything you can use to edit text. So now let's go. See this place you are seeing line spacing. This place, line spacing. We'll click on it. This place is used to drag the text up and down. So this is where we're going to be making it to look the same way. Okay, let's keep it as 2. Yeah, let's keep it as 2. Then yeah, here we go. And then what next? Our service. So let's create another text. This is another text. Let's edit it and click our service. our service. Okay, here we go. Now if you notice, there's a shape under this our service. There's a shape under this our service. So let's create a shape for it. Shape. Then if you notice about this shape, it has a curved edge. It has a curved edge. So for you to make your shape have a curved edge, this is your shape here. For you to make this shape have a curved edge, this is how you're going to do it. See, look at it. For you to make it have a curved edge, this is how you're going to do it. If you want to pick any shape from there, you're going to click here. So you can see circle, star, love, and all that. So, but now we're working on square. So for us to make it like this, we're going to edit it and make it the same way and curve it a little bit. All right. Let's put it in 9. 9 is okay. Okay, I think this is okay. Then let's give it a color. You can see here this color has two. The shape has two colors. That is gradient. That's what they call gradient. Gradient is when you are giving an image or text more than 2 or 3 colors. So we'll come here, gradient. So let's pick the color there. Click the plus sign. You see these 2 colors that are here. Then we'll click this edge. This one that I'm shifting around. We'll click it. Then you see this thing that be like pot here. This thing that be like pot in this plus, minus, less than, greater than, and all that. The last part, something that be like pot dropping. We'll click on it. Then we'll see this eye drop that is here. Eye drop, select it. Go to our image that we're replicating. Remember, if you want to pick color, if you don't know the color, you can come to your image and pick the color. So now these 2 colors, we'll click this first edge, click OK. Then we'll go for the second one, this second one. Click the same pot, click the eye drop, and go to our image. You click up here. Then let's click the other part. So this is it. So if you notice, this is almost like that. So in this gradient, there's a way you can put the color to each other. You can do it like this. You can do it like this. Where I'm clicking this upside. This space you're seeing box. This 6 box up. This is where I'm clicking. So I'm going to click the first square that is here. So the color is in horizontal now. So let's click OK. And then it is done. Then we'll put it here. We'll put our service here. Take it to the front. Put our service here. So let's choose the font for our service. For that, our service, I choose Crypto Display Regular. So if you don't have it, just go on your default.com. I did the video. Just go through my YouTube channel. You see the video on how to download fonts to your PixelLab. I did the video there. So just watch how to do it and go to the default.com. Click on it. Search Crypto Display. Look at it here. Let me go back. This is the name here. Crypto Display. It will bring out the text. You download it and then bring it into your PixelLab. So let's continue. Alright, so let's bring this shape here. The first shape we did. Now we go to text. Alright, let me hide the replicating design. So this is what we have achieved so far. This is what we have achieved so far. This is where I'm not seeing the design we are replicating is because I hide it, so we can't see it. Look at this place, you can see I hide it. So what next? Let's bring out our perfume image. Our perfume image. All right. Okay, here is one. So what do you notice here? You notice that this one I brought in and this one in the design we are replicating is not the same color. For you to make it in the same color, just look at what I'm going to do. For you to make this perfume image or picture in the same color, just look at what I'm going to do. You know, this middle side here is for editing shape and any image you bring into your PixelLab. So watch how I'm going to do it now. You will come here, scroll to the end. Okay, scroll here. You are going to see color filter. Yeah, this is it. I hope you saw it. Color filter. Yeah, this is it. And then we'll pick. Look at it's going to change the color now. Then we're going to make it to be in the same color it is. Alright. I think 60. Yeah. Yeah, we got it. 60. Then let's put it. Let's put it how it is. So please note, if you don't have the font, just go to your Google Chrome to download the font. Alright. So okay, here it is. So we place it here. Then what next? So let's hide this one so that we can see our design we are replicating. Let's hide the perfume first of all. Then let's bring out the remaining two perfume that is down. Okay, you can see this. And I don't know if you want to bring note, if you want to bring any image into your PixelLab, click import. Click import. Then let's bring the second one. Here it is. So this is the two, this and this. So remember, these are not the same color. So we want to make it the same color now. Go to color filters here. Then let's make it to be in the same color. Alright, I think this okay. So this one is minus 31. Minus 31. All this is for another thing. Saturation is to bring the brightness, but we're not using that for now. So let's focus on this. So the first one, minus 31. Click good. Then let's bring it to the size of 8. Alright. Okay, if you notice this, the way it is, this one is turned opposite of it. So for us to make it in the same direction, you notice this one I'm moving is not in the same direction with this one that we are replicating. So now for us to make it in the same direction, look at what I'm going to do. Come to this our tool here, click in on crop, click this down part here. See, it's changed. Click it again, it's changed back. So this is what we will do. There's also another way. Let me go back. For us to go back, click undo. So there's also another way. You can come here, this 3D rotate. Okay, sorry. Okay, come to this place, this y axis. Then rotate it. So let's continue. Alright, so it's already in place. Then we come to this one. Go to the same color filter. Change the color. This is minus 41. Then click OK. And then let's resize it to the original Sorry, let me lock that up so it will not be moving. All right, let's place this where it's meant to be. All right, yeah. You look at now, this one is moving. If I want to edit, this one is moving. So we're going to lock this one so it will not move. So it will not be disturbing our design and some other things we'll be doing. So now I've placed it here. Then let's hide it. Click here and click here. So we can see what we are doing. So for the design we're replicating, let's hide it also so we can see how far we have come. Alright. So this is how far we have come now. Remain just a little thing and then we go on. Alright. So what next here? Now is you can see this place, this shape here. This one I'm circling. Remain all this place. So let's do it now. So first of all, remember we bring shape. This shape to bring any shape into your PixelLab, that is your canvas. We call this place canvas empty where you do your work. Then we're going to resize it. Resize it to this place, to this one here. Alright. Then let's give it color, gradient. You can give it one color. This color is for one color, to make it in one color. But gradient is for two or more colors. So if you notice, this thing has two colors, the right and the left. So let's give it the color it deserves. Alright, this is. Then click OK. Then if you notice this place, okay, let me circle it. Sorry. This place has an inner glow. This thing that is glowing here. But this does not have it. Look at it very well. This place has an inner glow here. But that does not have it. How can we do it? Just wash. Then let's place this here. Then come to your, please follow me. Come to this place. This place you see inner shadow. Inner shadow. Then we click on it. Inner shadow is for the image or for the shape to have a shadow inside it. So let's enable it. And what are we seeing there? Light pink, right? Light pink. Light pink. Okay, we are getting there. Then we'll come there. Y means downward. X means to the side. So let's keep it in. We'll be using Y because we are bringing it downward in order to match what you have in the design we are replicating. So let's keep it as 10. 10. Yeah, this is it. Alright, let's continue. Then we're going to be hiding this so that we can see what we are working on, our progress. Let's hide it. So what next? Order. This place that we clip order now. Okay, but before then, let's choose our background. Let's choose our background. So how are we going to choose our background color? Here we are not using any background. We are going to create the background ourselves by picking the color that is in this place. Remember, I told you if you don't have the color, you can pick it here. So for us to edit anything background, this fourth place here, this place, click on it. Anything on background, then let's choose color. If you look at the background very well, you see this upper part has a light color and this darker down part has a dark color. So let's click on it. Then we'll click this and click the color. Then go to this point up. Go to your design. Click this color. Click here. The color you want to pick. Alright. Okay. Then go to the second one. Click here. Click the design up here. Then let's click here because this is another color itself. Click good up here and OK. So yeah, this is. Then let's click OK. So let's hide the original design. Wow, this is it. Alright, so let's continue with our design. Then we are going to be creating this order now, the shape and the text. Go to this middle side. We'll be editing it accordingly in order not to make mistake. Then if you look at it has a small curved edge. So let's see what we can do to that. Okay, let's keep it as 30 and OK. Then let's make it, look at this. Let me show you another tool for this. Let's keep this in the middle. If you want to keep it in the middle, click this relative position to position it. Why this position is for, okay, wait. Okay, relative position is from bringing to the middle. This side, this one for to the right, to the left. But now we're making it to stay at the middle, so we can continue what we are working on. Then this is for moving it. I click position, move, or you can use your hand. But make sure it stays in the middle. Click here and click this middle part. So now it's in the middle, right? Alright, so let's hide it and look at what we are working on. Then what's next? Our small shape inside before the order now. Sorry. Our small shape, let's create it. Alright. Then we'll curve it a little bit. Remember, this is for curve. So let's curve it a little bit. Let's give it at 9. Let's pick the color. You can see here it's only one color this has. So we're going to be picking only one color. I think this is the color. If you don't have the color, you can come here, this plus, and click the color. So now let's place it accordingly. Then what next? Create text for order now. Order now. Then make the color white. Yeah, here's white. Place it here. Then this text and the WhatsApp logo, we are going to bring it in. Remember, for you to bring any image into your PixelLab, import. Right, let's look for the WhatsApp image. Okay. All right, this is here. So we will crop it. This is all the image. We only need WhatsApp, so we're going to be cropping it. Drag this place, drag here. So yeah, here we are. And then okay. Then we'll reduce it. Reduce it. Place it accordingly. For you to place it, remember to position it well. Drag it a little bit smaller. This place to drag it far, but if you drag it, it will bring this side to drag it smaller. Then let's position it well. Okay, now it's in position. Then let's give it color. Enable and then give it a color. What next? Text. Yeah, let's click the text. Then we'll give the text a color and a font. The same font I gave it to the other one, crypto display. Crypto display rather. Medium. Please, if you don't understand it, you can rewatch the video in order for you to understand it better. Alright? Can rewatch the video in order for you to understand better. Then position it well. So we're just replicating designs. Actually, for replicating of design, it's more simpler than creating from beginning. So maybe next time we are going to be creating another design from scratch. So now this text, we'll copy it and edit it. Edit Lagos, Nigeria. Drag it here. So let's give it bold. Let's make it bold. Let's see if it's okay. Bold. Remember, if you want to make your text italize, click here, underlined. But I don't want that. What we need now is bold, and place it directly to this. Then make the phone number text bold also. Now what we need now is this location logo. Import. So I've downloaded all this before. I downloaded it from Pinterest. Pinterest is where you can find different images. Just type it and it's pop up. Right, where did I have that? Okay, photo. Yeah, this is it. Bring it in, then size it in a way to fit this. Alright, and give it a color. Okay, so let's edit it and let's see how far we have come. Alright. Alright, so here is how far we have come. So if you notice, okay, let's hide it again and bring our, okay, let's bring our original image. If you notice, look at this perfume well. Alright, I'm coming. Okay, look at this perfume well. It's come out. The shape down here is at the back, while the perfume is at the front. So for us to do that, this is the shape here, right? This is the shape. So where's the image? These are the image here. These are the image. So this is what we are going to do. This image here, this one here, that is the shape. You bring it to the down. Bring it down to the back of these two. Back of these two. Then this is what we have here. This is what we have here. Remember, look at, if I take it to the front, it's ahead of the two perfumes. But if I bring it to the back, now this is what we are looking for. Then we are making progress. Now what next? Okay, the scent by Ella, if you look at the font, it's not the same thing. The font is not the same. So let's look at the font that was used. Fonts. Come to my fonts. So all these fonts here are the fonts I downloaded. All these fonts are the fonts I downloaded from the website. Alright, so let's look at the font that was used. Alright, this is, let me look at the name so you can download it also. It's called Realistic Nature. This down part, Realistic Nature. You just go to your default.com and click on it. Realistic Nature. Then here we are. Then the same thing by this. Go to the font and click it again. Realistic Nature, and get back to it. Now we are giving it a color. So for us to allow this to be in the same size, or to make it straight, is what we call grid line. If you look at this upside here, see what I'm clicking here. This is what we call grid line. When you click it, this is what comes up. So for you to make sure that your design is straight, you edit it, click this part, down part, then drag all this to make sure it's in a straight line. Drag all this, touch this one, and make sure it's aligned. Yeah, make sure it's aligned. You can also zoom in and zoom out. This way you can zoom in. You can zoom in and check very well, because alignment is very important in a design. It is among of the elements or principles of design. So it's very, very important that your design is aligned. All right. So I think it's aligned here. Then let's remove it. Let's make our, okay, sorry. I think we need to make this bigger a little bit. Okay, let me make it smaller. Okay, I think this is better. Then let's give it a color. Yeah, this is the color. Then click by Ella and go to give it a color. This is the color. Then we are not leaving this behind, leaving a lasting impression. Give it a color also. Color. Then let's still check, maybe it's in a straight line. All right, here we go. Okay, let's increase this a little bit. All right, here we go. So let's look at how far we have gone. Wow, this is how far we have come so far. So what next? If you look at the design we are replicating, this back side has something up there. So let's bring that in. Click, remember here, for bringing image into your PixelLab, then import, then let's find it. Okay, I think I have it at my photo row. All right, let's go. Yeah, here it is. Then we bring it in. Remember, see, we are going to be turning it around. Come here, 3D rotate, then rotate it, and okay. Then we'll increase the size, make it look alike. All right. Yeah, I think this okay. Then let's hide the design we're replicating. Hiding means we don't want to see it at all. We don't want to see it in our design. So we can see how far we have come. All right. Here's how far we have come. So let me bring this to the front. Let me reduce it a little bit so we can see how far we've come. Wow. So finally we have replicate this design perfectly. So what next? We are going to be, let's delete this. We don't need this anymore. Then what next? Let's save your design. At the beginning of this, we are meant to save our design, but there's no problem in saving it at the end of your design. So save your design in order so that it will not get lost or it will be saved in your phone. Then how can we save our design? This up part here. Click it. Save as project. First of all, save as project. Then click any name. Let's name it Saint by Ella. You can name your design project any name. When you save it, okay. Then if you come to this first part here, click my project. This is where you see all the design you have been doing. So you can see it here, saved by Ella at the first part. Then what are we going to do next? Let's save as image. Click that the same place. Save as image. Then format PNG. Always save your design as PNG, not JPEG. PNG. Then what next? Ultra, and save to gallery. Now our design is saved in our phone. So for what are we going to do next? We want to enhance the design, enhance the image. So we are coming to our Snapseed. Let's come to our Snapseed. All right. Come to our Snapseed. Open. Add photos. Click on the sense on the design. This is the design here. Click on it. Then it opens on your Snapseed. For us to edit it, we're going to be looking at this tune image. One thing you first meet is brightness. You can increase the price, reduce the brightness. But in here we are going to be just keeping the brightness in and okay 3. Let's give it in 3. Then take it up. See contrast. Give our contrast in okay, let's keep it in 3. 3. Then go up again. Saturation, increasing it or reducing it. The sharpness. So we are going to be keeping this also in, let's keep it in 4. Then it's not much if we use all this. It's not much you are going to be using all this. So let's save it. Click this OK. Then this is how it is. What next? Click this place, you see tools. Tools. You can see a lot of tools here. Then click this second part, details. Take it up. Increase the sharpness by 10. 10. And here we go. Export and save. Now our design is ready. Let's go see it. Up here on gallery. Now here is our design. Here is the one before using Snapseed. Look at how it is after Snapseed, looking sharp. So this is how to design a perfume design using just your smartphone, PixelLab. As you watch this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial videos. Thank you and anticipate for my next video.